Basically, we have all the assembling is here. Then we'll have the pumps here. They test and they put there for checking and packing.
They can have an idea.
All the parts are ready in stock. So here we share all the parts, all the table for the assembling of different pumps. So here we have the half inch P60. This is P120. Here we have the smaller, 7 damper, 18 and 30. Yeah, this is our baby.
Oh, it's so cute.
There is one here.
Oh, it's so cute.
This is our baby.
Mom. I like moms, believe it or not. I did a technical support for people when they have issues with damage because they're like. Very pretty.
See?
Very pretty.
We move here.
Very pretty. I visited down there was a project in different buildings, but it was not. Yeah.
So I know they have a long table, 20 parts, 20 steps. This is the table when we need some big amount of pumps, because we reach an order of 600 pumps per river. We sell to a Korean company for the ship, for the boats. Here we have a stock of electric motor, pneumatic motor is a new business that we are developing, and mag-driven pumps. Yeah, the range of this pump is the same of Devon.
Yeah.
This is like MB of Devon. The other one is like IM vertical. Yeah. Within you can speak Spanish.
Ah, usted está hablando diafragma de la bomba.
Ti frego tutte le volte. Sì, ma non rispondere in italiano. Ti habla spagnolo?
Yo soy de Milan.
Io sono adesso. He's shy. Facciamo andare a... Let's go. Facciamo we cover because rubber cannot take the light, so we have to cover.
Okay.
It's to protect the PDM.
They don't do good with the light, mira. Good to know when you store the
Rubber, EPDM.
EPDM.
This is the pump that we are developing for you, T400. And now I show you the pumps that we are testing with the flap. We prepared this for you. This is with the flat, the pump that we are developing for you. We are testing with the balls. See? You cannot do that with the standard pump. So we are passing about 16 millimeters about. We developed this pump first for the food industry. In tomato production, we have a big part. So with the bolts, it's not good. The passing is too small. So we put a flap, so you have a big passing this way. In your cases, is to avoid that the bolts push.
Perhaps in the trichomes.
Yeah. If you work in this way, slowly, it's perfect for you. So the flow rate is much more that you need. So you have to work slowly. This is 400, so your size. You go slowly, and the flap has time to open, and there you have no problem. Before to say yes to you, I want to test it, that it works. Suction is very good. If you do, I close the outlet. The pump is stopped, so the sealing is good also. This is very important. So now we can prepare the pumps for you. Next week I will receive the flap for yours and I will send to test.
Very nice.
It's okay?
Perfect.
Devi provare? So we test the suction capacity, the pressure. We made this one to be faster on the connection. This is a special features with a central port. The first test is for the suction. The test we made is to check the sealing. If the pump is not moving, it means that the sealing is perfect. We make it from one side and on the other side, so left and right. And then we left in pressure at 6 bar to check that we have no leaking, the exchanger is good. 5 minutes more or less. If no problem, we go to back. And we do that for all pumps. This is very important for the quality. I like to check.
It's full of water, so we'll test it with water and see if there's no leaks.
With the Teflon O-ring, suction capacity goes down. Then we left the pump here in pressure. The guy checked, no leaking here. Exchanger is working, so it's good. Now the pressure is low because we have to do that because the 600 pumps we have to test the 50 before each time.